Hanggang goes to Binibini. 14. And of course, congratulations, Binibini 14. And of course, sir, stay na din po kayo dito. Kayo na din po ang mag-award ng Best in Casual. Okay, next, Best in Casual goes to Binibini. 11. Congratulations, Binibini 11. At tupalo po, hinahanap pa yung sash. Congratulations, Binibini 11. Congratulations. And of course, thank you so much, sir. And now, eto